G'day cocktail lovers. Trader Vic is one of the big names of 20th century bartending, obviously in the tiki scene, but I'm going to make one today that's got me thinking, what the actual fuck was Trader Vic thinking? Because feels like he threw everything but the kitchen sink at this. We're starting off with rum, not that unusual, then we're getting dry gin in the mix, then dry vermouth, and then some cognac, which, then we had some lime juice and sugar syrup. It's got me going, what are we doing here? But we're going to try it. Comes together looking nice enough. If I give it a taste, it's very interesting. Let's talk about how we make it. In our mixing glass, we're going to put 1 ounce or 30 mils of rum. Follow that with half an ounce or 15 mils of cognac. Then half an ounce or 15 mils of dry gin. Half an ounce or 15 mils of dry vermouth, then a quarter of an ounce, around 7.5 mils of lime juice, and a quarter of an ounce, 7.5 mils of a rich sugar syrup. Add ice to your shaker, then shake that good and hard for 10 or 15 seconds to chill and dilute the drink, and then strain it into a chilled coupe. Giving it another taste, it certainly isn't a bad drink, but something, again, for my personal taste, is not quite there. I'm thinking it's the combination of the vermouth and the lime juice that isn't really working for me. I could do the science, make this once with vermouth but without lime juice, then once with lime juice and without vermouth, and see if I thought either of those were better. Maybe another day I'll science up this one. I'm not going to call this Trader Vic's finest hour. That's the meanest thing I'll say. Not his finest hour. I don't hate it. You might like it. It's something to play with anyway, and like a lot of these drinks, I think there's a lot of room for experimentation and adjusting things for your palate. I think with a few little adjustments, this might be more to mine. I'd love to hear if you've ever tried it, what you think. Is it just me, or is the vermouth and lime juice weird? Do you think it'd be better without one of them? Anyway, I may try that another day, but for now I'm just going to finish this, and I wish you all the best. I hope to see you again soon. Until I do, I'll just say, cheers!